Oh, hear him roar! It's Squishy the Dinosaur! Let's draw some hearts for his sunglasses. That's right, he's so cool. He's got heart-shaped sunglasses. They are super electrifying. Drawing the outline of his face now, his jawline and his cheeks. And let's not forget his nostrils and his mouth, of course. Oh, he's a happy one with some teeth. Yes, roar! Now we're going to draw his tummy. Yeah! Then drawing his hands, a little bit of detail on the palm there, round his belly, and the other hand. He's got 1 thumb and 3 fingers in each hand. And we're going to do some really cool dino talons. Yeah, look at that, nice big dino feet. Don't forget the tail. And a star, because he's a rock star. So we need lots of stars around Squishy the Dinosaur. Hey, do you have a favourite toy? Or dolly maybe? Yeah, me too. I used to love my dolly when I was a little girl. Right, ready to paint? Let's start with red. Go vibrant on the heart sunglasses. Yeah, fantastic. Then blue next. Blue around the edge of our hearts to make the red really stand out. And let's go for yellow now. We're going to paint Dino's hands and arms and obviously his body. We're just going to do the outer part of his body for the time being, side to side, staying in between the lines, all the way round. Oh, that tickles! He's very ticklish, you know. Tickles his belly when you paint it. You have to be so careful. Let's do his second arm now. Right into his fingers. There! Let's do his head now. Around the sunglasses. Painting his cheeks and his chin. Oh yeah, Squishy the Dinosaur. Oh yeah, he can bellow and roar. Rock out! Painting his other cheek and his nose. Going around your oval-shaped nostrils very carefully. That's it. Keep in between those lines. There, now pink. We're gonna do pink nostrils and a pink tummy. Look at that. It really stands out, doesn't it? Bright yellow and a brighter pink. Ooh, I just love it. Yay! Let's do some gold now. Gotta have a bit of gold on our tail. Yeah. The dino with the golden tail. Now, how about some silver? Why not? Silver teeth. And red again for his tongue. That's right, you guessed it. We're going to go peachy pinky for the rest of his mouth. Now for some brown, let's do his feet. Painting around those claws. Painting around those talons. And a darker brown, I think, for those. Yep, we're going to have some nice, strong, dark brown feet. Brilliant! Let's paint the stars. Green! Wow! Whoa, that looks so cool. Pink! Let's make it match his tummy and nostrils. What next? How about blue to match the rim of the sunglasses? You can choose any colours you like. We love to mix and match. And there you have it. Gorgeous Squishy the Dinosaur! Yeah! Aw, so cute. Subscribe and watch more.